What's up world, I'm Mr. Vaca, and today we're going to take a look at Google Classroom email summaries for parents and guardians. Now, if your child's school district is using a G Suite Google Apps for Education account, then they have the ability to send their parents or guardians an email summary of what's going on in their Google Classroom. You'll be able to change the frequency of the notifications for your Google Classroom, and here on the help page, it also lets you know that those daily emails will only go out Monday through Friday. They will not happen on Saturday or Sunday. At any point, you can also remove yourself from the classroom notifications or unsubscribe from the email chains. In that email, you will see missing work that's late at the time that the email was sent, upcoming work, which means work that's due either today and tomorrow for daily emails, or work that's due in the upcoming week for the weekly emails. You'll also get class activities such as announcements, assignments, and questions recently posted by teachers. Now let's take a look of our student example named Felix, and we have here a weekly summary for Felix. It says, student work missing from last week, my top 5 influential figures in American history. That's the name of the assignment in the course, U.S. History. It also tells you right here that it was due on July 26th, and this was the weekly summary from August 1st to August 5th. So it lets you know not only when the email was sent, but what was due when, if it's late or not. It also says here, this assignment, what is the Harlem Renaissance, who started it? That was due the next day on the 27th in a different class, English and American Literature. Then upcoming work, due next week, you have U.S. History's class and Marine Biology. This class has a project that's due. Then you have class activities. So this right here is the U.S. History class activity, an assignment, a question that was posted on the class feed, and another assignment, but that's not due again until August 16th. Then this is a different class, American Literature, an assignment, a question, and then another class announcement. And then for the Marine Biology class, you have an assignment and an announcement. So that's pretty much what you're going to see, whether it's either you sign up for the daily or the weekly, and you do that all through the notifications. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to leave it down in the comments box below, and feel free to share out this video, this channel, to all of your colleagues, your friends. Hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up. It helps out the channel a ton. Thanks again for everything. Don't forget to wash your hands, work hard, play hard, and I'll catch you next time.